Why are you alone, little one?
I lost my family in the storm.
I will help you. We will find them.
You're so brave, Orin. Steady now, Piko, calm. That's it, step by step. You made it.
Listen, Piko. The crickets, the frogs, the wind, they all guide us. Even the sky helps travelers.
I can't do this.
Even the sky helps travelers.
Small wings can fly far too.
You saved me again!
As they travel, Piko grows more confident. He remembers each lesson Orin teaches him. Step by step, he feels stronger inside.